Hello friends, welcome to our channel. We are talking about the inductive effect. When a covalent bond is formed between an atom or of different electron activity. When a covalent bond is formed between the atoms of different electron activity, chlorine is having the higher electron activity and hydrogen is having the lower electron activity, but is electron activity that is power. What is electronegativity? It is power to attract electron. So we can say chlorine is having more hold on hydrogen. Chlorine is having more control of electrons over hydrogen. Since both of the atoms of different electron activity, the electron density is more towards the more electronivity atom of the bond. Such a shift of electron density result polar covalent bond, and the bond polarity leads to various electronic effect in organic compounds. Let's consider an example of chloroethane. We are having the CH3, CH2, Cl, in which the carbon and the chlorine bond is polar covalent bond. If I just expand, in this example, carbon and the chlorine is a polar covalent bond. It is polarized in such a way that the carbon 1 gains some positive charge and the chlorine gains the negative charge. Chlorine gains the negative charge. And it is denoted by the symbol delta, and the shift of electron density is shown by the arrow that points from positive to negative end of the polar bond. In turn, carbon 1, which has developed the partially positive charge, draws some electron density towards itself from adjacent carbon atom. Carbon-carbon bond. This one is second carbon. Some positive charge is developed on the carbon 2 also, where the 2 delta with positive sign symbolize relative smaller positive charge as compared to carbon 1. In other words, the carbon and the chlorine induce polarity in the adjacent bonds. Such polarization is known as sigma bond. One thing to be noted, that it is permanent effect. Inductive effect is a permanent effect, most important point. Such polarization sigma bond, this is one is sigma if I am having the one is sigma if I am the double bond. The second bond is always known as pi bond. Need to be learned. This effect is referred to this whole concept, this sigma bond effect is referred to as inductive effect. This effect passes to subsequent bonds, but the effect decreases rapidly as the number of intervening bonds increasing and become vanishing small after 3 or 4 bonds. One thing to be note, that after 3 or 4 carbon atoms, the whole polarity effect vanishing itself. The inductive effect is related to the ability to withdraw or donate electron density to the attached carbon atom. Basically, the whole inductive effect is related with an atom having the higher electron activity, concept related with the atom with the higher electronegatividity and the atom with the lower electronegatividity. If both carbon, if I just having no chlorine over here, the both two carbon atoms are of same type, so no inductive effect will arise. So the arise of polarity along with the atom of high electronegatividity and lower electronegatividity produce its types. First one is positive I and second one is negative I. We are going to discuss one by one. Let's talk about its types based upon the electron density attached to the carbon atom, based on the ability, the substituents. The whole is classified into two parts. One is electron withdrawing, another one is electron donating. Electron donating, and this minus I means electron withdrawing. Electron withdrawing. Halogens and the many other groups such as nitro, cyano. There are number of examples. Carboxylic, these examples. Another one is ester. Are electron withdrawing groups. On the other hand, all alkyl groups, I'll just say all alkyl groups, are considered as electron donating groups. This is whole about the plus I and the